Proof is a new pitch. If you are not showing receipts, you are not selling. Welcome to day number 29 of 30 days cash injection challenge. Today, we don't create more, we leverage what's already built and market the hell out of it. You have done the work, big thumbs up to you. You followed the system, big thumbs up to you. Now it's time to make some noise for Desi boys. I just doubled my watch hours, I just doubled my views. Now it's time to broadcast it daily. Celebrate your wins, collect the proof, automate the distribution, let the system you build sell itself. Here is how to create a proof flywheel that fuels itself. Welcome to day number 29 of 30 days cash injection challenge. Today we are going to do aggressive marketing for next 30 days. So here you can say it's a beginning of next 30 days challenge. Okay. So what are the things that you need to do here? Okay. So day number 29 is a proof day. Okay. My system works and next 30 days aggressive marketing. There is a system, show and signal. You built it. Okay. I built it. Now show it off. Okay. That's it. Let system sell by simply showing people what's already working. Okay. Celebrate with proof, make it public. You have earned it. Okay. Here you have to collect the testimonials. So those people who want my whole system, this is 30 days CIC system. Okay. With mind map, this is the Loom videos and YouTube videos and whatever the things, documents. It's day wise document. If you click on the link, this is the day video and this is the document. So day wise, you are going to get this mind map. Okay. This mind map have all the links and you will get that. And you will get this phase 3 mind map, my content solar system. If my content solar system, it has also everything. If the Loom video, the notes, and how to go ahead with this YouTube video, everything, it is there with link. Okay, so if you want, then you have to share a video testimonial. If you want both one, if you want only one, you can just post a testimonial at the end of every sheet. You have this one, review us on Google. Just click on this and you can copy this link and open in a new tab and review it. So if you review me on Google, okay, this is the review link. So you will get the 30 days CIC man map. This is the 30 days CIC. And if you give me video testimonial, you will get both this one also and this one also mind map. So this is the thing that I'm. So here is about building the proof. So if you see this, my system, okay, I'm getting DMs. Okay, this is the DM on YouTube. If you see, this is YouTube channel. This is on Instagram. I think, yeah, it's on Instagram and it's on if you see, this is on Instagram, this is on Facebook, and this is on WhatsApp. From every channel I'm getting this one. And if I share my value bomb here, people are sending me, okay, your system is awesome. And if you check the YouTube video, yeah, this video, you will find out the comments from school groups also. Okay, this is the way you can make your Hall of Fame videos also. Just screen record everything and you will get all these things here, and you can create a video around that, how does it work. So this is the proof of the things. And when I started 21st January 2025, I was on, since starting of my YouTube channel, it was 7K view. Now it's 14.5K view. It's last 30 days, you say, from 26th of April I started it. Okay, and then it's become just double it. If you see this one, it has doubled 14.5. Okay, 14.5K. So you can just multiply it more than twice. Okay, so you check my analytics here. You will check the videos here, analytics of my 28-day report. This is 28-day report, and if you see, last 48 hours I got 887 views. So this is the statistics. If you see, this statistics is for last 1 to 28th May. So you just can check it out. Okay, report is also 28-day report. So you see this video, my content solar system video has got 966 views, the watch hour, and other views also. If you see, you can just check it out. Okay, how many views are there. Okay, durations, video days, watch times, and this is the views. You can check it out from my, this is my whole YouTube history, data chart and totals. Okay, every video wise it is showing me the total. Day wise also it is giving me every view. So on 28th May I got this many views, and if you check it out, this one day also 621 views. I got very positive feedback from clients also. It's awesome. I showed you revenue snapshots, revenue. On the basis of revenue, I have got 2 consistent clients who are paying me consistent basis revenue. That is with a game changer. Okay, during the CIC only I got them. And what changed you forever? So you are doing what you are doing that makes a difference. And the second step is broadcast it. Okay, so you have made it, and now broadcast it. This is one of my sample message. Hey, just build me this 2 hours of system and 100 plus, and I'm going to distribute it via DM, via post, whatever these things you want to distribute, broadcast. Okay, so the goal is don't pitch, just show the proof and attract it. So you see, if anybody comments on this Instagram and they want my whole system, so you can just comment the number. Okay, so suppose if you want a day 16 post, go to my Instagram and comment on day 16, and you will find this sheet in the link in the description. Okay, whole 30 days sheets, and whenever someone comments it, they will automatically get a DM. So you see this system of automation, it is automatically, and it starts the conversation here. That person has commented on my post. Yeah, if you see this one, he has commented one and he has got this sheet. There are 2 ways you get this sheet. Okay, so one way, you join the challenge, you get every resources, whatever resources you have, or just comment on it. So this is the Razor Pay link you will get here, and you can join this challenge. Okay, once you pay this, you will be a part of the next challenge, or you just keep on commenting everything you will get. So you will not get the access of this one if you comment it, because it's private to my members. Okay, this is my USB. Okay, so that is only for paid members. Okay, so you this is the secret. This is going to change the content creation game. Okay, so this is it. So you have built it, now it's going it's to broadcast it. So next 30 days we are doing aggressive marketing with proof. Yeah, that's work. So don't forget to check out this video. This video has crossed my whole limit, 1056 views, and if you see 36 likes, 90% of people have liked it. And you see, check out this one, and you will understand the details of the content solar system. It's very simple. You have built a proof, you have got the confidence. Now it's time to rock and roll with DMs. Okay, and put value bombs. Okay, whereas we have discussed the value bomb. My mind map is very invaluable. You can create any type of content anywhere, any copy, anything. So it opens the possibility, and it's based on fundamental. So it's a yeah. So I have got proof also. Yeah, it's totally insane, and I shared the mind map with my clients also. So they, yeah, totally insane. Just how I can build it, or just they are saying that. So if you want exactly the same system, so I told you that either you share the testimonial. Okay, so it helps me in my journey to go ahead, and so that's it. So you just share if you want only 30-day CIC's mind map, then you just can comment with text. And if you want both mind map of content solar system, just give me a video testimonial, your great win, what you have got in 30-day CIC, and why others should join. Okay, these things has to be mentioned in the video. So share with me in any platform, and that's it. So here is the truth. You didn't just post for 30 days, you executed with purpose. You didn't just build a content, you built a client generating system. You didn't just finish a challenge, you set a new baseline. You have now got the proof, the momentum and clarity, and this is new standard. And so what's next? Reflect on what worked, refine what broke, restart with bigger goals, clearer system, unstoppable confidence. And if you are watching this and thinking, should I start my own 30 days cash injection journey? So this answer is clear cut yes. There is a never better time to start. Okay, so best time was yesterday and best time is now. Okay, now let's go again, but smarter, faster, and even more proof driven, because now you are not guessing, you are executing with proven framework. If you want to join the cash injection challenge, it's again happening. You can join from the link in description. Thank you.